real dude. Blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need a fix it?
I started getting my period around age 12 or so. So every month it's been like clockwork. I have been able to master it, to say the least, but you just don't know what you'll get each month. Sometimes it's manageable, and sometimes it's just kicking you in the you know what. We as women have to deal with this every month. Now, I know that talking about periods can be a bit taboo, but I think it's really important to have an open and honest conversation about our bodies and our health. So I'm gonna go through a day in the life when that time comes around and share some tips on how to cope and some home remedies that can make things a bit easier. For my ladies, I have to ask, have you been seeing a change in your body as you grow older? Shorter or longer periods? Heavier or lighter? Cramps? No cramps? I mean, I can safely say over the years it's been a wild ride. And my body, as it gets older and regenerates, I see myself learning and adapting to what works. So, what can we do to make this time of the month a little more manageable? Well, one of the most important things to do is listen to our bodies and give ourselves some extra TLC. This might mean taking it easy and resting more than usual, or practicing some gentle yoga and stretching to ease the cramps. I take my painkillers, then do some yoga and meditation in the morning before I get ready for the day. The show, unfortunately, must go on.
Since I ran into you, do you need a picture? Well, I get so it's hard to take one when your iPhone's full. Who's gonna save you?
There are also some great home remedies that can help. For example, heat can be really soothing for cramps and discomfort. You can even use a heating pad, take a warm bath, or even try a hot water bottle. Growing up, that was the truth. And I know sometimes it can be very, very painful. I remember that sometimes I had to go to the hospital to get some relief in the form of injections. Yes, Panadine, morphine, the works. Okay, Sarah, we are going a bit off track. Let's get back. So, there are also certain foods that can help too. Foods that are high in iron, like spinach and lentils. They can help replenish what we lose during that time of month. Not to mention dark chocolate and almonds can help ease cramps. And a friend let me on to molasses. It has literally changed the game tremendously. Of course, everyone's experience with their periods is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. But I hope that some of these tips and home remedies can be helpful for you, whether you're currently on your period or just looking to prepare for the next one. If you choose to be like me and go to work, take it easy, listen to some music, and take the hours one at a time. Let's keep the conversation going and support each other through all the ups and downs of being a woman.